Security awareness is imperative in today's world. Technology impacts every one of us at work and in our personal lives. Everyone needs to know how to recognize potential threats, react swiftly, and prevent the loss of critical business and personal information. Global Learning Systems' Cybersecurity Awareness Challenge course provides a comprehensive review on how to recognize, react, and report threats within your organization. Through scenario-based learning, your users will be able to identify and mitigate risk, keeping your information and theirs secure. From quality scenario-based learning courses and modules to intuitive videos and best practice modules, GLS has the tools your organization needs to secure your human firewall. Schedule a demo today by clicking the Contact Us button on the website or call us at 866-245-5224 option 1 to get started on your security awareness training program.